Okay, we're going to look at a slightly more complicated example now. We're going to look at the square root of 192. Okay? Now, I've written up the square numbers again. We know that 1 isn't going to really help us, so the square numbers that we're really going to be concentrating on are 4, 9, 16, 25 and upwards. Now if I look at 192, I know that I can split this and I can write this as 16 times 12. Okay, so the square root of 192 is equal to the square root of 16 times 12. Now from the previous example, I know that I can split this square root into two separate square roots. Root 16 times root 12. Now the root 16 is actually 4. So I can write this as 4 times root 12. Now 12, I know I can split into two square roots again. 12 is equal to 4 times 3. Okay, so I can write this as, I can write square root of 12 as square root of 4 times 3. Like this. Okay, and I know I can split this square root into two separate square roots. Square root of 4 is 2. Okay, I've still got that 4 times 2, and now I've got times root 3. Okay, so this 4 comes down, I've got the square root of 4 has become 2, and I've still got the square root of 3. So I can finally write this as 8 root 3. And I am done. And I know I am finished because I cannot simplify root 3. There are no square numbers here greater than 1 that will go cleanly into 3. Okay, and so I am finished.